this one. What are they see? This is my dream house. Interlock. My dream house. Now they see so. I tell them to me well done no. The video. Now the fish don't they arrange. I mean now to go chop. Yes now. Let's make a video now small. Yes so. So this is for the fire. Where did they come?
Now mistake to enter. Okay. Is it like ice fish? I for count to 3, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Or 4, 1,000. I won't go there.
How dare?
25K.
Bright.
You don't start.
Eh?
You don't start.
I don't start. But watch and I know be the wife of the day. Where should they go? A video in the worker. They don't come. Your people don't come. Okay. Sorry.
Early the next morning.
You follow the sweetness of this cake. You push up and finish. No bowl again. No plastic. Come on. You don't like it?
Olare. You don't learn how to do cake, ba?
Eh?
You don't sabi now. It's not egg. That means my birthday, next birthday, you go do for me.
No, I said
No, you go do it now. You I want me to do. And I like people who say they don't sabi something, but they don't do for me, so I like them. I like that experience. You go do for me now, you?
no problem.
Shake, you said it.
It's sweet. It's sweet too. But you like it. I really like ice.
Guys, good morning. It's another day in my life. I'm my husband's sister's place for the preparation for the marriage. See, guys, this is where they did the cake. See, guys have seen. This is where she did it. She don't have a shop. She just doing it in the house. She's a student anyway. So guys, I'm here. I have hair to do. I won't even toilet. I'm talking this talk now. Let me enter the bedroom and help myself, okay? So guys, we'll talk later. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Oh, more this place is fine. I'm back. I have my own. Hey, I'll go show my husband this one. What are they see? This is my dream house. Interlock. My dream house. Now they see so.
I made a 100 so that.
The chair and the chair away from us. I have no problem now. We don't start already. Bring that? Now chair away from. I carry the chair come. Carry the chair. Wow, this is beautiful, man. My dream house. Now I gotta show my husband though. This is fine. This is the main parlor. That one I'm waiting for. Me. You go fear content. If I go, I go snap the front. My new building. Okay. Mother, I bless see you. Oh, if I go, I go video very well. Hey, when I'm Makabiko.
I know come for marriage. Marriage. Mama did not tell you.
Let us come outside. Let us come outside.
Very small.
Let us no short like that. Mama leave me. Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I can do myself small video. When you see good things, celebrate it. When you see good thing, guys, celebrate it. So I came into this very beautiful building and I said, okay, let me just do this wonderful video. This house happens to be a building of a lady that's, they are living close to where my father-in-law they are living. That's my husband's father. So they were living in that house for so long. This woman has gone through a lot. There was a time that she lost her first son through river. These children that went to bathe in the river, and the river have to swallow the boy, and the boy left this world. But thank God today she's smiling. When we actually came in, the children came to visit us. They came to greet us. She has 4 kids. Yeah, a girl and 3 boys. She has lost her first son. So we are leaving now. You guys will see the main lady. So her husband is going to drop us off in the wedding venue because I actually came to the house to bathe and take care of, do my sister-in-law hair, as you guys have seen in the video. So in the night we could not do it because there was no light, so we could not do the hair. So we came here and thank God we saw this house and we're so happy. We bathed very, very well with all our hearts. So here comes the main lady. Here comes the wonderful woman that God has blessed. I'm so much happy for her because this woman is a very good woman. A woman that has a heart of gold. A woman that don't see herself high. She's very simple. So why would God not bless her? I'm super happy for her, seriously. So here she has gotten ready. She's following us to the wedding venue. So we're just taking pictures of her. And that's my sister-in-law over there waiting for us to come. Let us go. Let us go, guys. So right now we are in the vehicle. We are going. So that's how over there greeting you guys. So guys, thank you all watching. Please subscribe and like my videos.